tea. The milkman, the paper boy, evening TV. Did I get delivered here? Somebody tell me, please. This whole world's confusing me. Clouds as lean as you ever seen. Ain't a bird who knows you're true. Then a little voice inside you whispers, don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, and everywhere you look.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of SITV. I'm Franny Regan.
And I'm Emmett Cummings. That's right, you thought I was gone because I wasn't in the intro, but here I am. I'm back.
For our first segment, we asked 6th graders some questions about how they feel going into secondary school. Let's get into it.
Entering high school can be pretty scary sometimes. We're gonna go check out the new 6th graders and see how they feel about entering high school. Let's go!
Probably science or tech right now.
Tech.
Technology.
Dang, Mr. Girardi.
Well, if I had to say my favorite class, it would probably be gym. Science. Social studies. Tech.
I don't have one yet.
Older and more mature. I feel like I have a lot more responsibility.
Yes.
Do you feel older at all, or
No. I feel like that I'm older. I get to move around a lot, so that's really fun.
Because we have more freedom walking around in the halls.
I'm good. I don't know, it's kind of boring.
Good.
Probably a 4. I don't know, if I see him in the hallway, I'm not gonna try to talk to him, but I'm not really scared.
it's 9.
5.
0. 1.
10. 0. I'm scared of him.
0, but 10 because of your face.
Speaking of scary things, we had students try to recreate the viral Rick and Morty dance.
Covered by our own Olivia and Lily.
Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Rick. 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 Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Rick. 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 Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Rick. 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 Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty. Yeah. Rick and Morty. Yeah. Yeah.
For our next segment, we asked our new students and staff some questions about themselves.
Let's get right into it.
Hello, my name is Mr. Stingo.
Hi, my name is Miguel Jamin.
Hi, I'm Kat.
Hi, I'm Topless.
I teach ELA, 6th grade, 7th grade, 9th grade, 10th grade, and I'm also teaching an elective, public speaking. If you want to sign up.
I'm in 10th grade.
I'm in 10th grade.
I'm in 9th grade.
I live in Ronkonkoma, but I'm coming from having taught in Longwood and Riverhead, and I graduated from Sachem, so quite a culture shock being here. I'm not used to there being less than 200 people in the graduating class, let alone in the entire school.
Moved here 2 months ago from California.
I'm from San Francisco, California.
I live on Shelter Island my whole life.
I came here because In the past, I did leave replacements, but this was one of the first permanent positions that went up. There haven't been too many permanent positions in the past few years. I was like, I should really apply for anything. And then when I came here, the people are so cool. This is such an interesting district. Honestly, loved the entire island. So I figured, why not work here? I think it's kind of a long commute for me. I drive an hour and a half to get here, but I don't really care because it's just so awesome here.
I came to Shelter Island because my dad got a job here. I came here.
I came here because I like Shelter Island and I like some of the people here and I have friends here already, so it kind of just worked out.
I'm looking forward to getting to know everybody and getting a little more familiar with the island. I had never even been here before, even though I lived on Long Island my whole entire life.
Hopefully making friends.
I'm looking forward to like doing more extracurricular stuff like the musical.
Good grades. Yeah.
I do something called Muay Thai, which is kind of like boxing, but there's also kicks and other things involved. I had a near-death experience in January, but I am okay and I didn't get hurt. It's not fun, but interesting fact.
My favorite type of food is Chinese food.
I know how to play guitar.
I love playing sports.
Emmett, do you ever miss kindergarten?
I sure do. There are so many things you don't have to deal with when you're a kid. Paying taxes, SATs, calculus.
Well, good thing in this next segment, we took it back and asked people some kindergarten questions. As high schoolers, every day we are asked a series of complex questions. Today we wanted to take it back to kindergarten and ask some kindergarten questions. Okay, Mr. Brigham, what's your favorite color?
Green.
Who's your favorite Disney character?
Kylo Ren.
What's your favorite dinosaur?
Triceratops.
Perfect. Your favorite color?
Pink and purple.
Okay. What's your favorite dinosaur?
The pterodactyl.
Okay. And now, what's your favorite Disney character?
Sleeping Beauty.
Sleeping Beauty? Okay, Dr. Dolger, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color, Brandy, is green.
What's your favorite dinosaur?
That's an easy one too, a pterodactyl.
What's your favorite Disney character?
My favorite Disney character is Mary Poppins because a spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down.
Nice. Hey, Luke, what's your favorite color?
Brown.
Brown?
And I agree.
What's your favorite Disney character?
Mickey.
And now, what's your favorite dinosaur?
T-Rex.
T-Rex? Thank you. All right, Harper, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
What's your favorite Disney character?
My favorite Disney character is Olaf.
Okay. All right. What's your favorite dinosaur?
My favorite dinosaur is a velociraptor.
All right. What's your favorite color?
Purple and green.
What's your favorite dinosaur?
T-Rex.
Favorite Disney character?
The villain in Princess and the Frog. The voodoo guy, you know.
That umbrella didn't look too sturdy, so I hope Dr. Dolger got back safely.
That's all we have for this week's episode. I'm Franny Regan.
And I'm Emmett Cummings.
And we
are
out. That sure was interesting.
Rick.